Hello students, today we will discuss mathematics application of derivative, some important problem of the tangent and normal. Because you know the tangent and normal are very important. One of the question come in annual exam. Last day we have discussed about the tangent and normal, the fundamental problems also we have done. Today some important problem we will discuss. Okay. So now here is the question. Find equation of tangent and normal. So how to find the question is x by a whole to the power 2 by 3 plus y by a y by b whole to the power 2 by 3 equal to 1 at a cos cube theta a b sin cube theta. So in this case whatever you look at here, alpha beta means this point is given, already this point is given. So how to solve this? Let's see. Already the point is given alpha beta. This should take alpha beta. Alpha beta equal to what? This one. Then how to find derivative? Here you look at x and y combined here. So this is what implicit. So differentiating with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x, we will get what? 1 by a to the power 2 by 3 is a constant. X to the power 2 by 3 derivative is 2 by 3, x to the power 2 by 3 minus 1. Look at 1 by a to the power 2 by 3 is a constant, you take outside. Here also you find the derivative. 1 by b to the power 2 by 3, keep outside. Only the variables are x and y. Here y derivative is 2 by 3, y to the power 2 by 3 minus 1 and dy by dx. Why it is dy by dx? Here derivative of 1 is 0. Why it is dy by dx? We have already discussed this one. When we find the derivative of y with respect to x, then you put what? Dy by dx. It y ର derivative find out करा होची तेणुकर it dy by dx लेखा. A part of effort रखे part of separate नहीं जीवा, then what value will get? Here 2 by 3, 1 by b to the power 2 by 3, y to the power 2 by 3 minus 1 minus 1 by 3 dy by dx is equal to this one. You take that side, then you will get what? 2 by 3, 1 by a to the power 2 by 3 and x to the power minus 1 by 3, 2 by 3 minus 1. Here 2 by 3, 2 by 3 both side you cancel and dy, keep dy by dx here, take this one that side. You know this is divided here, then you take that side, it will be b to the power 2 by 3 by a to the power 2 by 3 into here x to the power 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 by y to the power minus 1 by 3. Okay. So here you can also write this minus b to the power 2 by 3 into y to the power 1 by 3 minus is there. If you take this upper side, then it will be what? 1 by 3. Here also x to the power minus 1 by 3. If you take at denominator, it is what? Positive plus a to the power 2 by 3. Minus होचे reciprocal कर दो रे दिखे सर. So now look at here dy by dx. This is the slope of the what? Tangent. How to find? At what point? The point is given, alpha beta point is given. A cos cube theta, A b sin cube theta. So what is the meaning of this? Instead of x and y, you put these values. Here instead of x and y, you put what? A cos cube theta and b sin cube theta. So here it is dy by dx equal to this one. So minus b to the power 2 by 3. So y means this one you put. b sin cube theta whole to the power 1 by 3 by a to the power 2 by 3 So now look at x to the power 1 by 3 means instead of x you put this one a cos cube theta whole to the power 1 by 3. So what value you will get? Now look at here minus b to the power 2 by 3. Here b to the power 1 by 3. b to the power 1 by 3 into sin to the power 3 1 by 3 will got. Here we will get what? Only sin theta. 3 1 by 3 got. So here also similarly a to the power 2 by 3, a to the power 1 by 3, here cos theta. So now look at b to the power 2 by 3 1 by 3, you add these two, then we get what? B to the power 1 sin theta by here also a to the power 1 cos theta. Okay, so this equal to minus b by a tan theta. So this is what? Okay, slope of the tangent this one. This problem is very important to you. Okay, for annual exam also this is very important. Note this. Next one, this came what? Dy by dx, this is the slope of the tangent, SOT. SOT means slope of the tangent equal to minus b by a tan theta. Slope of the tangent के now we'll find the slope of the normal. Slope of the normal, SOL, slope of the normal equal to minus 1 by dy by dx. That's minus 1 by dy by dx equal to this one minus b by a sin theta by cos theta. Cos theta. You reciprocal them minus minus plus here a cos theta, a by b cos theta by sin theta. This what? Slope of the tangent normal. Now you find the equation of the tangent. EOT means equation of the tangent. Y minus beta equal to dy by dx into x minus alpha. This is the equation of the what? Tangent. Tangent equation and if it is the formula. Then how to find? Now look at y minus beta equal to this is alpha and this is beta. This alpha and this beta given, already given. Y minus beta equal to what? B sin cube theta. B sin cube theta. Instead of dy by dx, you know dy by dx equal to this one you put minus b by a sin theta by cos theta into x minus alpha. Alpha equal to this one a cos cube theta. X minus a cos cube theta. Now you simplify cos theta, you multiply this side, then you get what? A cos theta y ay cos theta, ay cos theta into y this one, and you multiply this, then you get what? A cos theta into b ap cos theta sin cube theta. Then you multiply this minus xb sin theta and minus plus ab cos cube theta sin theta. This one you take this side, then you get what? xb sin theta plus ay cos theta equal to the whole total, you take that side, then you get what? ab cos cube theta sin theta plus ab cos theta sin cube theta. So which one is the common in between them? ab sin theta cos theta common. ab sin theta cos theta, here also ab sin theta cos theta, then here it is what? Cos square theta plus sin square theta. Here sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, you know. So instead of 1, here it is what? ab sin theta cos theta. Okay. So finally what value you will get? Divide this one with this and this. यहाँ से तो divide होगा, यहाँ से तो divide होगा, then you get what? xb sin theta by ab sin theta cos theta plus ay cos theta divided by ab sin theta cos theta equal to 1. Here cos theta got a got, here sin theta got bb got. The remain x by a cos theta plus y by b sin theta equal to 1. This is the equation of the tangent. Okay, this is the equation of the tangent. Very important problem for your exam also. Okay, similarly equation of the normal, how to find? Okay, this one, equation of normal. For finding the equation of normal, what change you have to see? This one, equation of normal, EON formula is y minus beta equal to minus 1 by dy by dx into this one. So changing is only this part you have to change. So minus 1 by dy by dx equal to, here slope of the reciprocal of this a cos theta by b sin theta. So a cos theta by b sin theta. Now multiply alternatively this one and this one. Then find the equation of the what? Just like before this, you solve this. Okay, and solve for the remaining part. Solve for remaining. This is the equation of the what? Normal. So now another important problems are find the point on the curve. Here is the question number 2 from the exercise, this same exercise. What question? Find the point on the curve. On the curve. Curve is given y square minus x square. Y square minus x square plus 2x minus 1 equal to 0. This one. Where the tangent is parallel to x-axis. Where the tangent is parallel to x-axis. So tangent is parallel to x-axis. What is the meaning of this? Now look at here the solution. How to find the solution? Here it is the one of the curve given. Curve means one of the equation given. You draw any type of this one. एमती बोली किसी माने नहीं, any one of the what curve you will get. Suppose this type of curve, ये जो दिया है equation टा draw करें, suppose this type of curve will get. Okay. Here is the point you take. You have to find the point here. When a tangent is drawn parallel to x-axis, means this is x-axis parallel to x-axis. When a tangent is drawn, here लिखा है जी. When the tangent is drawn parallel to x-axis, we have to find the point on the curve. को point रे हमें draw कर ले, को point रे हमें draw कर ले, कौन है tangent उठे, जोड़ा कि x-axis से तो parallel हो तो, है ना? So concept understood or not? Before starting, I will tell some 2D concept. You know, here the first one. Here the x-axis, x-axis. Slope equal to slope of x-axis equal to 0. Slope of x-axis equal to 0. So the slope of this line should be 0. Slope of tangent also 0. Slope of tangent is also 0. Slope of tangent, what is the slope of tangent? You know, dy by dx. dy by dx equal to 0. Slope of the tangent, comma it is 0, why it is the 0? Look at the line which is parallel to x-axis slope equal to 0. So the line which is parallel to x-axis also, that slope equal to 0. Okay. Because जितने line which is parallel है कि सब slope are equal. So now look at ये जो curve टा दिया है जी, this is what equation. Look at this is the equation of the curve. ये equation द्वारा हमें dy by dx find out करिवा. ये dy by dx को कौन कराएगा? 0 put कराएगा. 0 पुट कला परे कार मूल्य आसबो x किबा y रो जो मूल्य आसबो, that this is the point. X and y रो मूल्य जोड़ा आसबो, that is the point. Okay, understood? So now start. The curve is now get the curve is what? Y square minus x square plus 2x minus 1 equal to 0. Here it is y square equal to x square minus 2x plus 1. That implies y square equal to here x minus 1 whole square. Okay. So find dy by dx. Dy by dx equal to what? They are differentiating with respect to x. So RTX means with respect to x. What is the derivative of y square? Y square I could put about 2y. 2y. Y रो बाहर करो जी कौन लिखा है? dy by dx लिखा है. Here what is the derivative? 2 आगो is 2 x minus 1. Then x minus 1 derivative again. This is 1. X minus 1 derivative what? 1 because x derivative 1 0 0. So both side 2 will cut. Here dy by dx equal to y to paper ना लिखे तो रहे x minus 1 by y. Here it is the 1. Here dy by dx equal to 0 because you know the slope of x-axis is equal to 0. The parallel line जैसे भी होची तार slope जाएगा सब जाएगा 0. Since dy by dx is equal to 0, that means x minus 1 by y equal to 0. So y test equal to x equal to 1 is here you will get but x equal to 1. Like x equal to 1 put equation रे put कर दो y रे मूल्य बढ़े आएगा. Therefore y square equal to what थीटा में जब put करिवा at x equal to 1 y square equal to कितना है x square 1 put करो 1 minus 1 रो whole square that equal to 0. Y equal to also 0. x रो मूल्य 1 y रो मूल्य 0. Therefore the point is x रो 1 y रो 0. 10 point रे point आउ जो 10 point जोटी के हमें गोटे कौन ड्रॉ कराला एटी कौन ड्रॉ कराला गोटे स्ट्रेट लाइन ड्रॉ कराला मींस टेंजेंट ड्रॉ कराला टेंजेंट का पैरेलल टू एक्स एक्सिस आसीला. ओके सो दिस इज नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम यू विल गेट. Here is the question number 8 from the exercise. So that the curve y equal to 2 to the power x. So that the curve y equal to 2 to the power x and y equal to 5 to the power x intersect at an angle tan inverse log 5 by 2 by 1 plus log 2 into log 5. 1 plus log 2 into log 5. So how to find? Here what given you look at first, here is the solution. This also everything are very important questions. Okay, from here. Here what is the solution you look at? Here two curves are given. Here one is what? Y equal to, here suppose here it is y equal to 2 to the power x given. Another y equal to 5 to the power x. There are two curves given. Okay. So angle between them. A angle टा किंतु ये बीटा कर्व रो angle टा ऐसी क्या हमें प्रूव करा. Y equal to 2 to the power x गोटे curve and y equal to 5 to the power x another curve. So we have to find the angle between the two curve. A curve दिला भीतर angle केमती find out करा हो. ये जो intersecting point रे हमें कौन करिया गोटे tangent draw करिवा. Intersecting point रे एपट गोटे tangent draw करिवा. this is the angle theta. This angle theta equal to, we have to show tan inverse ln phi by 2 by 1 plus ln 2 into ln phi. This one we have to prove. Okay, this angle equal to this one we have to prove. So how to prove? Before starting you look at दीटा कर्व दिया जो y इक्वल टू 2 to the power x, y इक्वल टू 5 to the power x, ता अर्थ होची ए दीटा इक्वल है, ए दीटा इक्वल हो द कर्व्स, राइट हो द कर्व्स जोटा ए जोटा हमर xy ए कर्व रो हमे सॉल्यूशन फाइंड आउट करले xy रे जो मूल्य आसीबो दैट इज दिस मूल्य, दिस पॉइंट, दिस वैल्यू. ओके, वी हैव टू फाइंड द xy. हाउ टू फाइंड द कर्व्स y इक्वल टू 2 to the power x and y equal to 5 to the power x. Since these two are equal, therefore these two are equal. 2 to the power x equal to 5 to the power x. एदिटा जे कोनिसर पावर जदि सेम अछि तळे अलगा अलगा अछि जदि इक्वल होछ माने ओ केस रे होबडी इट इज पॉसिबल ओनली व्हेन x equal to 0. It is possible. It is possible for but x equal to 0. X equal to 0 है 2 to the power 0 1, 5 to the power 0 1. Both are equal. So x equal to what came 0. X equal to 0 हम एटी पुट करो, y equal to केते आछो, y equal to 2 to the power 0 किंबा 5 to the power 0. Both are equal to 1. तार तो y equal to 1 आइसला. Therefore point केते आइसला, point is 0 1. Point आउची 0 1. हला बर्तमान आर एंगल फाइंड आउट करिया, सॉरी आर स्लोप फाइंड आउट करिया, आर स्लोप फाइंड आउट करिया. देखिए केमते आसी. दिस वन वी हैव टू प्रूव. ओके, सो नाउ गेट आमे आर टे ए जो आर स्लोप रो dy by dx फाइंड आउट करबा, आर स्लोप रे सॉरी आर टेंजेंट स्लोप, ए टेंजेंट स्लोप बना होला. नाउ लुक y equal to 5 to the power x, then dy by dx equal to m1. you say m1 equal to केते आसो, अरे dy by dx equal to हम जानि जे a to the power x रो डेरिवेटिव हो जे a to the power x ln a dy by dx of a to the power x equal to a to the power x ln a. So 5 to the power x derivative equal to 5 to the power x into ln 5. So again y equal to 2 to the power x and dy by dx equal to m2. you say আর মূল্যটা মনে করো আর ডেরিভেটিভটা কেতে 2 to the power x into ln 2, 2 to the power x into ln 2. ओके, सो दिडे देरो कोन पळे आसला, दिडे देरो स्लोप पळे आसला. तापर हम कोन करिया, गोटे फार्मूला गोटे अछि, दिडे स्ट्रेट लाइन रो जदी आर स्लोप हो m1 आर स्लोप हो m2, आ भीतर एंगल फाइंड आउट करे हम फार्मूला एंगल थीटा इक्वल टू tan inverse m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 into m2. एटा होची फार्मूला प्लस टू फर्स्ट ईयर रे तुम पढ़ती हो. वी हैव ऑलरेडी रेड इन द फर्स्ट ईयर कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री. दिस द फार्मूला. अले इट m1 m2 इट पळे आसला. अले एंगल फार्मूला, ए फार्मूला रे यूज करिया एंगल थीटा. एंगल इक्वल टू कोन लिखा है जेडी tan इनवर्स मैग्नीट्यूड m1 माने अर्थ हो जेटा होची केते 5 to the power x ln 5 minus 2 to the power x ln 2 by 1 plus m1 into m2. 1 plus what? m1 means 5 to the power x ln 2 ln 5, 2 to the power x ln 2. This one. But here look at point is 0 1. Meaning instead of x you put 0 where there is what? X you put 0, where there is y you put what? 1. So here you write at point 0 1 the angle equal to what? You write what? Tan inverse you write 5 to the power x means 5 to the power 0 ln 5 minus 2 to the power 0 ln 2 by here 1 plus 5 to the power 0 ln 5 2 to the power 0 ln 2. This equal to tan inverse 5 to the power 0 1, 2 to the power 0 1, here 2, here 1, here 1. So the remaining is ln 5 minus ln 2 divided by 1 plus ln 5 into ln 2. Okay, this is proved. So angle between the two curves equal to what? These are the angle between the two curves. So here are the some important problem in tangent and normal. You practice exercise number. Here the exercise is 8B 245, page number 245. Here it is the page number 245, exercise 8B. You practice this problem, okay? Then we will start the next day with a new topic, okay? So that is